come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi bully. Now today, I'm going to be talking about some Furio action. You know, Furio has been holding its own, and he's battling the daily ROI Dapps. Furio has been holding his own. It's pegged to the US dollar coin, USDC. Now, I'm going to go through some of these changes and what you could do to grow your bag and some other implementations right after you hit that like button. Because, you know, we passed 1,000 subscribers, and we on that way to 3,000 subscribers. You know what I mean? We're not monetized as yet, but we're taking the necessary actions to get the watch time hours up. All right? So like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and then marry the video. Okay? Now, Furio, as we've been seeing, been having some UI updates. You can see the page looks a little different. I know I'm kind of late with this. It's been out for a few days now. You can put your team name right here. Bullpen Millionaires is here. If you guys want to get started with Furio, hit that link down below. My buddy address will be down below. Join the team so I can start doing some good things for the community. All right, they have officially launched the auto compound, so you just select the amount of days you want to compound for if you want to set it to auto compound. And also something that they implemented is this 28-day claim. Okay, mine is at 6. As the days reduce, you reach different thresholds. If you're in negative, meaning like you've been claiming every day a week, you'll be earning 0.5% daily, and so on and so forth, to 1%, to 1.2%, to 1.7%. And if you're compounded for 28 days straight, you will reach 2.5% daily. That does add to your balance and increases how and you do get that percentage based on your balance. Right now I'm at 138 Furio or Furio tokens, and another update is the price is down here. The price is directly down here for the Furio token, as well as a link to buy the Furio token. So I'm going to go ahead and compound live for you guys before I show these other updates. As you've seen, I had like 1 point something over here. Tokens accumulated for the day. I'm at 1.25%. Want that to hurry up and jump up some. Okay. Did that increase? I believe so. So I'm at 139 Furio tokens. My claim day 6. When I hit day 4, or when I have 4, I believe these are the days that I claimed for the month. So within the last 28 days, I believe I claimed 6 times, if that's accurate. Yep. And then as soon as that reduces some more, I can hit that 1.75% daily. This is crazy. These are put in banks of business. Banks hate DeFi and crypto. Now, DeFi and crypto is very risky, people. So make sure you're doing your own research. Okay. You could lose it. You could win it. It's risk. Just like business. But everything in life is a risk. You know what I mean? Comment down below something in life that's not a risk. There go a challenge for you guys. So here in the Furio Vault, where you can actually earn this 2.5% daily. Say earn up to 2.5% daily rewards by depositing into the Furio Vault. Okay, new participants will start at a 6-to-1 ratio. That means you compound 6 days a week and you claim 1. Okay, that's you will start at 1.75% daily, but it will go to 1% if they break the pattern before the 28-day cycle is complete. Your percentage rates are based on your claims in your vault's previous 28-day period rolling. All right, I went over that for you guys already. Another thing, the Furio pool is actually here, where you can stake the LP of the Furio token and the USDC. okay, which is the stable coin. So it should be consistent, stable returns on that. You will earn a percentage of the taxation that goes on throughout the project. I don't want to bore you guys, but please, I can't believe I have no one under my team. Join up the team. Let's make this money. This is a great opportunity, but it's also not financial advice, but it's a no-brainer. Let's look over here at the chart, the Furio token chart. Where are you? There you go, right there. Open that up bigger. As you can see, people, this chart has been on a consistent rise since launch. Okay, they did have a big pump, a big type of pump, but since then, and it reached that low. Where is this? August 20th, when it hit $5. It's just been on a consistent rise since. It had some healthy corrections, but back up. And I believe the implementations that Furio have in their tokenomics should be adopted by a lot of these newer ROI dApps that's coming out, okay? The drip babies, so that they can have things in their contract, in their smart contract, that would keep the sustainability, you know what I mean, and increase growth. Also, marketing is important too as well. So right now, the Furio token is at $10.14. According to the page, it's at $10.06. They do have their own swap where you could buy with USDC directly from here. I believe you waive some type of fee if you do it from this. But you just add USDC to your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet you're using, and then you could buy it directly from here. All right. I ain't gonna keep up too much of you guys' time. Just wanted to go over a couple of these new things, and also your Furio balance and the Volt balance is at the top, and your USDC balance. So that's kind of cool. They made it look a lot more professional, in my opinion. Okay, but like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.
Come and see, you feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, NASA Bink hobby. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.